But yeah, just repeat it. What is the case, or what is the case that he's being summoned, Hidari?
He has been summoned as he has been.
No,
I know the case.
You tell me the exact
Yes.
law that is instigated. That is instigated someone.
He has instigated against the Sikhs in 1984, and that law has come back up. He has 21 days to get back. So I want to know what you all have to say with regards to this case.
Nothing at all. This is just a summon from a court. There are a lot of things that happen. There are a lot of summons. Nothing has been proven, and we all actually are as ill-informed as most of the people are. So till the full information comes out and what's happening, nobody can really answer.
आपकी फिल्म के प्रमोशंस फिल्म के बाद भी जारी है। ये सॉन्ग फिल्म रिलीज से पहले क्यों नहीं दिखाया गया, अभी क्यों ऐड हो रहा है?
हमने शूट ही नहीं किया था।
तो आप थोड़ी देर बाद जब आपको लगेगा हैप्पी न्यू ईयर,
जब लगता है थोड़ा कुछ शूट करने हम करते रहते हैं। हमने कहा था शुरू में कि इस फिल्म को हम छोड़ना नहीं चाहते, तो जब मौका मिलता है हम कुछ
हमारे पास 1 घंटा और है फिल्म का, तो हम शायद
अगर आप लोग हमें बहुत परेशान करोगे तो वो भी रिलीज
वो भी डाल देंगे थर्ड में।
अजीब लगता है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ऐसे कभी पहले हुआ नहीं है। फर्स्ट चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में हुआ था और अब इसमें हो रहा है। अजीब भी लगता है और रियली अच्छा भी लगता है दैट इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ वन टाइम कमिटमेंट, इट्स समथिंग दैट ही हैज decided to do for all his films, and the fact that he stuck by it. But more importantly, I think, like he says, like I believe, it's not about gender, it's not about male or female, and I think the simplest way to do it would be to go alphabetically. I think that would be the simplest way to do it. Having said that, I think it was extremely gracious of him.